Mack the Knife is a 64 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance, choreographed by Rachael McEnaney. Going to start by walking forward on the right, then hold for a beat, walk forward on the left, hold for a beat. Then you're going to do a Charleston step, but with hold beats in between. So it's touch, hold, step it down, hold, touch back, hold, step it down, hold, like that, okay? In this dance, there's a lot of hold beats, but you don't really sort of feel them when you're dancing it, okay? So we take it from the beginning, you're stepping forward. Right, hold, left, hold. Touch, hold, step it down, hold, touch back, hold, step it down, hold. Okay, we'll do that again. I'll do it for you with the counts. Ready? And 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8, 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4. Now you're going to do a right lock, forward, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Okay, so I'll add that on. Ready? And walk, hold, touch, hold, step, hold, touch back, hold, step, hold, right lock, right, hold. Now we're going to a rumba box, out to the left, side together, forward hold, side together, back hold. Let's add that on. Ready? And walk, right hold, left hold, touch, hold, step, hold, touch back, hold, step, hold, right lock, right hold, side together, forward hold, side together, back hold. Now we're going to do a chasse, or a side close, side to the left, all on hold beats. Side, close, side, hold, and then a cross rock side, cross rock right over left, cross rock side, hold. Okay, so that last section, we just did a rumba box, side together, forward hold, side together, back hold, side, close, side, hold, cross rock, side, hold. Let's put it together from the top, leading with the right. Ready? And walk, hold, touch, hold, step, hold, touch back, hold, step, hold, right lock, right hold, side together, forward hold, side together, back hold, side close, side hold, cross rock, side hold. Okay, from here we go into struts. So you've got the weight in the right, you're going to do a cross toe strut with the left. So it's toe, strut, then a side strut, and a cross rock, side, hold. Okay, so to recap, we have the weight in the right, you're going to do a cross strut with the left, cross strut, cross rock, side. Then to the left, almost the same, with a cross strut, side strut, this time cross rock, you make a quarter turn, cross rock, turn quarter onto the right. Okay, so those sections together, strutting across with the left, cross strut, cross rock, side, cross strut, cross rock, quarter turn onto the right. Now you're facing 3 o'clock. Let's put it together from the beginning, walking forward, leading with the right. Walk, hold, touch, hold, step, hold, touch back, hold, step, hold, right lock, right hold, side together, forward hold, side together, back hold, side close, side hold, cross rock, side hold, cross strut, cross rock, side hold, cross strut, cross rock, turn, hold. From here, you're going to do a left lock, left, hold, then a forward mambo, hold. Okay, so if we take it from the struts, weight in the right, left strut across, cross strut, cross rock, side hold, cross strut, cross rock, turn, hold, left lock, left hold, forward mambo, hold. Let's add it on from the beginning. Leading with your right, ready, and walk, hold, touch, hold, step, hold, touch back, hold, step, hold, right lock, right hold, side together, forward hold, side together, back hold, side close, side hold, cross rock, side hold, cross strut, side strut, cross rock, side hold, cross strut, side strut, cross rock, quarter turn, hold. Left lock, left hold, forward mambo, hold. To finish off, you're going to do a back lock on the left. So it's back, lock, back, and you're going to hitch the right. Okay, so from that forward mambo, leading with the right, forward mambo, back, lock, back, hitch with a clap. Then you make a half turn onto the right, and then you hitch the left with a clap, and then you make another half turn, being pulled around by your right shoulder, back on the left, hitch the right, and clap. Okay, so just to show you that bit, coming back, lock, back on the left, step back, lock, back, hitch, half hitch, half hitch. You've hitched the right, and then you're ready to come forward to start the dance again. Walk, hold. Okay, we take it from the struts. So cross strut left over right, cross strut, cross rock, side hold, cross strut, side strut, cross rock, turn, hold. Left lock, left hold, forward mambo, hold. Back lock, back, hitch, half hitch, half hitch. Okay, let's take it from the beginning. Leading with the right, ready, and right hold, left hold, touch hold, step hold, touch back hold, step hold, right lock, right hold, side together, forward hold, side together, back hold, side close, side hold, cross rock, side hold, cross strut, side strut, cross rock, side hold, cross strut, stride strut, cross rock, turn, hold, left lock, left hold, forward mambo, hold, back lock, back hitch, half hitch, half hitch. So that's your first wall. Now let me do that first wall for you with the counts. 5, 6, 7, and 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8, 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm just going to dance that first wall with the music so you can understand the timing. 5, 6, 7, and walk, walk, touch, step, touch back, step, right lock, right, side together, forward, side together, back, side close, side, cross rock, side, cross rock, side strut, cross rock, side, cross rock, side strut, cross rock, turn, left lock, left, forward mambo, back lock, back hitch, half hitch, half hitch. With his teeth. So you can see that you're dancing fairly quickly, so you really don't feel those hold counts in there, which seem so apparent when I'm doing the teach, but not when you're doing the actual dance. Okay, let's dance wall 2, facing 3 o'clock. Forward on the right, ready, and so walk, walk, touch, step, touch back, step, right lock, right, side together, forward, side together, back, side close, side, cross rock, side, cross strut, side strut, cross rock, side, cross strut, side strut, cross rock, quarter, left lock, left, forward mambo, back lock, back hitch, half hitch, half hitch. Now we'll dance wall 3, facing 6 o'clock. 2 walks forward, leading with the right, ready, and walk, walk, touch, step, touch back, step, right lock, right, side together, forward, side together, back, side close, side, cross rock, side, cross strut, side strut, cross rock, side, cross strut, side strut, cross rock, quarter, left lock, left, forward mambo, back lock, back hitch, half hitch, half hitch. Now we'll dance the last wall, wall 4, facing 9 o'clock. Leading with the right, 2 walks, ready, and walk, walk, touch, step, touch back, step, right lock, right, rumba, side together, forward, side together, back, side close, side, cross rock, side, cross strut, side strut, cross rock, side, cross strut, side strut, cross rock, quarter, left lock, left, forward mambo, back lock, back hitch, half hitch, half hitch. Okay, so when you come back lock, back, so you're coming back on the left, back lock, back hitch, half hitch, half hitch. You've just done a hitch with that, right? You walk straight forward on it, walk, walk. Okay, so let's try putting that link together. Coming back on the left, ready, and back lock, back hitch, half hitch, walk, walk. Okay, let's do it again. Back lock, leading with the left, ready, and back lock, back hitch, half hitch, walk, walk. I'll do it for you from the side as well, just in case you can't see. Back lock on the left, ready, and back lock, back hitch, half hitch, walk, walk, touch, step. Right, let's go around the four walls without stopping. Ready, and walk, walk, touch, step, touch back, step, right lock, right, side together, forward, side together, back, side close, side, cross rock, side, cross strut, side strut, cross rock, side, cross strut, side strut, cross rock, quarter, left lock, left, forward mambo, back lock, back hitch, half hitch, walk, walk, touch, step, touch back, step, right lock, right, side together, forward, side together, back, side close, side, cross rock, side, cross strut, side strut, cross rock, side, cross strut, side strut, cross rock, quarter, left lock, left, forward mambo, back lock, back hitch, half hitch, walk, walk, touch, step, touch back, step, right lock, right, side together, forward, side together, back, side close, side, cross rock, side, cross strut, side strut, cross rock, side, cross strut, side strut, cross rock, quarter, left lock, left, forward mambo, back lock, back hitch, half hitch, walk, walk, touch, step, touch back, step, right lock, right, rumba, side together, forward, side together, back, side close, side, cross rock, side, cross strut, side strut, cross rock, side, cross strut, side strut, cross rock, turn, left lock, left, forward mambo, back lock, back hitch, half hitch. Well done.